Ayo, ayo, ayo. What's poppin', baby? I can't see y'all clearly. Like this sunlight is getting to me, but nah, we got it. Anyway, what's up? Feeling kind of hot. The sun is doing the things. But yeah, man, we gotta keep pushing. Welcome. It's a nice Tuesday afternoon. It's like about to be 4 o'clock right now, and we're just chilling, man. Took a sell trade on German. Made $233. Excuse me. Right now I'm kind of in between a awkward spot. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm still progressing. I'm still, at least the account is still, where it's at right now. I did take another buy. I saw an opportunity, but then I didn't take into account there's a 1 hour value gap that got tapped into. Then I got an inverse, 5 minute inverse. I was like, shit, let me close. Then price continued on down. It's still pushing down to this 1 hour gap that has not been touched. Bullish one. But yeah, man, at least I lost like 83, so I'm like up for 150 for today. One win, 1 loss, which is not bad. But yeah, what I mean is, like, when I'm in an awkward spot, like, I think the highest I've reached is like 840 something, and I've been down. My lowest is with $300, I think. But then I'm up. I'm at 6, so I'm in that weird spot where I can't breach that 800. Well, I could, but my only issue is that I close a bit too early. Like, I realized today, okay, what if I just held it and just seen where price wants to go? Because the next drawn liquidity was to the downside. There was buyers, there was a gap that hasn't been tapped into. So where are the next likely magnets for price to go, So also take into account market structure and whatever trend we are in. But yeah, I think that's because if I held it, I would have been up so much right now. But I'm not mad at that, because with this strat, I'm uncovering like new things, new problems that I'm facing, and that is me holding my trades to like the next drawn liquidity. Because where I took profit was like a place where price already had swept liquidity and was looking for the next draw, so I thought price was gonna push up, but it's fine because I'm still learning. But I would say I'm way more confident in this. Trading this, I'm way more confident. I'm not gonna lie. I'm way more confident. I made a dumb mistake yesterday by closing myself because we're in a down market, so I should have just held it, but I didn't. So let me take a loss, and then I took a buy and I closed and made back my losses. So yeah, I think what I want to do is really limit myself to 1 trade a day. Make my profits today, because now I would have been up 233. Now I lost some of it, which was not dumb because I did see a setup, but I didn't take into account that, hey, there's a gap here. I should be aware of where it wants to go. That was the next draw. That was the closest draw that it had. So yeah, because taking 2, because I was back testing and I saw that I could take 2 trades a day, but it's like, nah, if I can just take 1 a day, 5 a week, if there's anything, 5 max, then everything will be cool. Then that way I preserve capital, my account can grow faster, and then I won't have to like worry about I'm a break-even trader now, because I know I can pass this account. Like this month, definitely, bro. Like this month, definitely, I'm gonna pass it, bro. Like that's a given. Like I'm saying it now. It's the 7th of July, 4 o'clock, Tuesday afternoon. I'm gonna pass this account this month. I'm gonna get funded. So I just had to realize, okay, I'm not holding it for too long, because I'm not taking into account the overall trend. Even though my analysis is on point, my entries are on point, bro. That it's just too simple. Like, it's simple, but it's effective. I just need to keep at it with the habits. Because even when I took buys today, or after when I took this loss, it was at a level, and I took it for a reason. I feel like I just took a random trade. I took it because I saw a setup. I was talking the anti-bearish value gap, of which there was one already we were inverse in there. That was entry number 2, but I wasn't checking my phone. So, you know what? Also, what I realized, I'm not gonna lie, bro, is that I'm noticing how if I had time to, like, if I wasn't working, for example, today, let's say I was off, and I had time to analyze and just watch the market, wait for my setup, then I could have potentially, like, I've always had this thing where if I'm like, once I'm a full-time trader, I'm gonna be seeing these things way, like, much better because I'm not distracted at work. I can't be on my phone a lot. This morning I took the right trade, fine, boom, boom, boom. I marked up my charts like around 8. I was just checking around 8. I'm like, okay, if I see this here, I'm gonna take it. Boom. I'm creating scenarios. So, but that's cool. I shouldn't have even taken that buy because I was already up for the day. Still up for the day, which is not bad. But that's getting incorporated to my rules now. 1 trade a day. Because if I keep trading again, like the second time, that's kind of me being greedy. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather trade, hold, get to a level I'm happy with. It reached my target. I'm cool. I don't need to trade anymore. I already beat the markets today. What more do I need to trade? Why do I need to trade again? Like, yeah. So that's something I realize now. But I'm gonna break it down for y'all later. And then yeah. But overall, I'm happy. I'm in a better space right now. Still forward testing this strategy, but so far, seeing what I need to see is kind of like easy. Entries now are easier. It's just a matter of like controlling myself and not over trading, because what I was doing now is over trading. But it's cool though. It's cool. But yeah, just wanted to break that down real quick. And yeah, bro, mark my words, I'm pausing this account, bro. We're getting payouts. Dead ass, bro. Like, I can see myself pausing this account. Boom. I pay the activation fee. And then I just trade, bro. Do the same thing I've been doing. Obviously, you got to change the risk because my drawdown, if it goes from 6% to 5% with the funded account. So, yeah. But the system doesn't change. It's just the lot size. That's it. And yeah. But yeah, it's the second week of July. We still got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll potentially see what happens, but I'm off the charts now. I'm just gonna let price marinate and do its thing, and then even if it buys up today, but it's like, nah, I already took one win, 1 loss. I don't need to trade again. But yeah, I'll see, like, once I hold, then there won't be a need for me to trade again. Actually, not even like if I don't hold or whatever the case is. If I win today, I win today. I'm nice. Because when I converted to rands, that was like 4,000 rand. That's just today. Tomorrow, if I could average 4,000, 3,000, bro, 5 days, maybe the 4 days I win. Or maybe like the 4 days out of the 5, I take profits. Then, bro, and it's averaging 4K, bro. Let's say 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 12K a week, bro. That's like a 40K month. Easy. It's all a numbers game, but we're gonna get there. I know this last 6 months, bro. Nah, bro. The first 6 months was just like, testing my patience. Gotta fix the model. Find one that resonates with me much easier. And then yeah, and I gotta teach my girl as well how to trade. So that's gonna be an experience. That's gonna be crazy. But yeah, let me dip. I'm done eating. Gotta go do a little, get some groceries, and then yeah, and I'll see y'all on the MacBook. Yo, what's up, people? Like I said, budget breakdown trade I took today, and yeah. So I'm gonna just start off by removing these things. Yeah, removing these because I wasn't looking at these, right? So I had these levels marked up, right? At this buys level set up, I had this untapped bullish fair value gap tapped into, of which it got disrespected, obviously, because we're in a downtrend, right? So this is what I was looking at in the morning up until this point, right? So I had this level here of sellers, scaled in, wanted to see what I wanted to see, waited for session to kick in, and then okay, price is at a high. It manipulated these lows, or pushed down actually, then pushed up, and then we came session. Session was around here, yeah. Price pushed down, but I didn't really see anything. I didn't see my setup. Okay, I'm just in price range for a bit. Okay, cool. And then I'm like, there's a bullish value gap, and we're chilling at a high. It's giving us equal highs, and it broke it. As soon as it broke it, I entered, but my target was here. It was just like a 1 or something. Yeah, it was this that I made like $233 and I was out. But then I'm like, because I didn't know what is it gonna do when it gets here? Because obviously it gave us those reactions. It had a big push up, rejection. So I'm like, I don't know why I didn't hold it. Because I'm like, okay, the next draw liquidity is this bullish fair value gap that was untapped, of which it just rallied to the downside. So essentially, I could have targeted these lows, but yeah, it's cool though. Like I'm not mad or anything. And then I took a loss somewhere here when I saw it push up. Yeah, pushed up. I was in profit for a bit, and then when I saw that, hey man, this thing's in 1 hour bearish rally gap, and it inversed. No, sorry, was it here? Wait, hold up. What did I see? Oh, it was here. Yes, it was here. It was at this level. I marked this out as well. Then I saw, okay, give me a rejection. Then I saw, oh man, so I thought it was gonna push up, because give me my entry here to buy. So I thought it was gonna come to this 1 hour gap that's untapped here. I don't know if you can see it. Should I draw it out? Should probably draw it out so you can see it. Yeah, let me just transcribe for you. There is this gap here. So I thought it was gonna tap into this gap here. So then I realized, price is playing in this gap here already, and it gave me a setup to sell off again. Then I closed with a loss, but I'm still up like 150, so it's not bad. But then our price is just dropping, bro. Like it's just dropping. And to think that I could have caught it somewhere here and just sold it off, I could have like paused the account. I don't know, like I could hold it. I should learn how to swing trade. Not gonna lie, especially if I'm trading with the trend, but it's okay though. Still gotta get used to it. So I put it to my points and I was out. So yeah, man, it is what it is. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So obviously these points are invalidated now. There is this gap that price is about to enter. So I'm just gonna mark them up as I go and then see what price does. But yeah, so far we do have price pushing down. We are trending down, so it will be good to find an entry to sell off. There's that gap. Okay, we can delete this. The next level of where price will push or buys are sitting is here. So yeah, we'll just mark up as we go. I want to mark up every single thing, but I guess it's good just to just to be prepared. So I don't have to do this in the morning. I can just be locked in. So we had this gap that was respected. Boom, push to the downside. So I'm gonna delete all these other ones at the top because we don't need them. Okay, I'll keep that one, and then I'm just gonna mark them up as we go. The seller sitting there. Price did break buys, so I'll keep those intact. Then we'll just see what price does when it gets to these levels. Maybe it'll be like a young push up to another bearish rally gap to get respected, then we take it back down. So yeah, that is what I am looking for. So right now, like I'm saying, we do have these gaps here that are being left behind. So we'll see what price does in the morning. It'll be at this level. There's no buyers at any point. Yeah, it's just gaps. The next buyers is sitting all the way down here. So we could look for continuation trade where we take a reversal and we take it back going down to target all these other levels, but we'll see. For now, I don't want to say, I don't know what price I want to do. I have to let it tell me what it wants to do. But then yeah, so if I'm just gonna leave those, I will leave these other gaps that are untapped here, just so I don't have to keep marking them up like I said. Okay, we have that high time frame for you. We have this one that's untapped. Oh man, why is it not cooperating? Just see what price wants to do. Yeah, it's just dropping. Yeah, this is good conditions, not gonna lie. It's proper conditions. We also have this gap, which it could potentially play into. If it plays into this, and we get a sell-off, we get an entry to sell, then I'm taking it back down, baby. But your chances are it's gonna push up, probably tap into here, liquidate, and then, but then that's it. Pretty simple.